metabolic process by which green plants convert substances by releasing oxygen due to the transformation of light energy into chemical energy. That is why each part of this breeding method is important, such as the following.
Hi, I am the sun. The sun provides sunlight. Plants will not be able to live and do the photosynthesis by me. They will not provide the energy, the initial energy for make the oxygen and make the humans breathe.
And thanks to me, you can breathe. By an exchange of gases, I provide you oxygen. You're wondering, how do you do that? Through photosynthesis, I absorb water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight, and I produce glucose and oxygen. And with that oxygen, you can breathe and be alive. But this doesn't work alone. I have three tissues working together to make this possible. The mesophil consists of mainly of parenchymal cells with chloroplasts. The veins that they transport the water and minerals to the cells of the leaves and carry away the dissolved sugar. And the epidermis, which helps the water doesn't evaporate. I hope that you learned something about me and you take care of me, because thanks to me, this whole photosynthesis occurs, and thanks to me, you can breathe.
I am a chloroplast, and I am like a very important part of the plant. I help to the plant to transform the energy of the sun into energy that the plant can use. I am part of a chemical reaction. Is carbon dioxide plus water plus the energy of the sun that I transform. It will give the oxygen and the glucose. The glucose will help the plant to survive, and the oxygen is like waste for the plant. I also inside of me have something that is called chlorophyll that makes me and makes the plant to be green. So this is like a pigment. Yes.
All organisms needs energy. Hi, I'm ATP, and I'm an important source of energy in all the biological processes such as photosynthesis and cellular respiration. What I do is to transfer energy from molecules such as glucose to an intermediate energy source. It means me, ATP. In photosynthesis, the energy is transferred to me in the light-dependent stage, and I am utilized during the light-independent stage so that the plant can conserve the energy. In cellular respirations, glycolysis takes place in the cytoplasm and remaining states in the mitochondria. ATP synthesis is associated with the electron transfer chain in the membrane to mitochondria. What it means is that it transfers certain molecules from the membrane to the mitochondria, and in that middle process, it's me, the ATP. So in this case, what I do is to keep the energy inside the plant while this one doesn't receive light, and to accumulate energy while this is receiving light. Thank you.
Hi, we are CO2, also known as carbon dioxide. It's a colorless and odorless gas composed of a carbon atom and two oxygen. That is why we can find it within the process of photosynthesis, because it converts these inorganic substances into an organic one when it is converted, better known as fixation of carbon, while creating other types of molecules such as glucose, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Although its greater importance is when the CO2 absorbed from the atmosphere is stored in the form of carbon-forming reservoirs, or carbon stores, that is the system capable of accumulating or release carbon, being forests, biomass, water products, or salts. But if the amount of carbon that enters these reservoirs is greater than what it leaves, they will be considered skin or collectors, while in the opposite context, they will be a source of greenhouse gases, since it also impacts on the regulating the absorbed temperature in excess.
Hi, I am the oxygen, involved during the photosynthetic electron transportation, where the water is split by the oxygen. involving complex provide electron and proton to the chloroplastic electron chain. Thirdly, generic and ATP NADPH, the energy source and reducing power for the plant metabolism.